Ladies and gentlemen, now I am in my alma mater, that is REC Srinagar. That had to be previously, it was REC Srinagar. So you can just see that these are the drying halls. So that's the Y-shaped drying hall. The one is DH1, DH2, DH3. Now we'll be entering this one of the drying halls here. So one of the drying halls, you can just see that this is the one of the drying halls where we used to do the drawing with. किससे करते थे पहले? हाँ, अभी भी उससे, drafter से. So drafter से. Anyway, let's go around and see what's happening. Great coming here. वो यार lecture hall में ज़रा हमको ले लो पहले. हाँ. So we are walking towards basically the lecture halls. Just trying to understand and just revisit, retrace and rewalk the place that had been left by us, by me, Sanjay Kher, many years back, some around 30 years back, more than before migration 1990. So let us just see where we used to sit. Where we used to, and I'm very thankful that with me is this time Suman Kol Saab. He's with me, and these two boys, good boys from. We are from second semester, na? Third semester, na? God bless you. So you can just see that these. अच्छा, new lecture halls. हमको पुराने में जाना है. पुराने से कैसे जाना है? सीधा ही? नहीं, उधर से जाएंगे. Let's go this way. So these are the new lecture halls which are under construction. Let me go to my own lecture halls where I used to sit and learn things. So ladies and gentlemen, let me go in REC Srinagar, Kashmir, NIT, which is now NIT. I want to just walk in and I want to just see those lecture halls. And on that side you can just see there are 4 hostels. 4 hostels means hostel number 1, hostel number 2, hostel number 3 and 4. On that side at a distance you can find out there is this library also. I just want to see that where I used to just study. That's the engineering this building. Engineering किस वाले first floor पर है या किस में है ये engineering civil engineering वाला? हाँ, first floor. So that is the block. So let me just. हाँ, that is exactly. Yes, ये सारा बंद होगा क्या? कोई hall होगा तो यार. Oh, that's great यार. Yeah, you can just see that. Let's just go inside and find out that how exactly. Oh, you can just take my also. Yeah, it's going now. But let's see. Hard thing. Yeah. So let me just sit here. I used to sit exactly here.
Sir, please, you have a seat.
So this was my seat and I used to be the line of the teacher and then this was उधर का भी दिखा. This is my lecture hall. आप भी करते हो और REC NIT so
Okay.
This lecture hall where I have spent 5 long years, because that time engineering used to be of 5 years. So this beautiful lecture hall which is standing here for the last maybe 40 years or so. Let's go now to, अब कहाँ जाएं यार? हाँ, let's go यार. Yeah, library also. I just want to just peep into the library also, because library we used to walk from the civil engineering department. This was civil engineering department. These are the typical. They are the same lecture halls, which were, and I have shown you already the drying halls, DH1, DH2, DH3. So this was the place where there were girls. They were talking to me. There were girls who were flirting around. This exactly this place, ladies and gentlemen. ये तुम्हारा वैसे क्या कोई से तो वैसे आशिकी तो कराने थे. You know that there were a few girls who were just, this was the point, they were talking to me. That time, yes sir, क्या यार? वो तो रहता ही है. That was romance. There was some romance in this particular place. Yeah, this was the place where some romance was happening. And lecture hall, I want to go. Yeah, there was some romance in the lecture hall also. Yeah, library also. इसमें फर्स्ट फ्लोर पर है ना लाइब्रेरी का वो. जरा उधर से जाते हैं यार, देखते हैं कहाँ से जाना है. Oh, that's great यार, thank you. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to the library now. Hey, please, sir, please, be careful. So, ladies and yeah, that is the library. That is the library. But there used to be. Nobody money? Same. It is same for the last 30 years or so. Good. Library, same library. Poses jeti paran. Shukriya. So we are now going around the college. That is the library block where from you can take the books. तो अब जो यार
ये सामने वाला वो सिविल डिपार्टमेंट एक्चुअली ग्राउंड फ्लोर इज आल्सो सिविल डिपार्टमेंट दैट टाइम आई थिंक it was first floor.
Well, that time it was first floor. I don't know, remember, but then this block was certainly. Yeah, I want to take a front view of this particular, and then I want to go to what you call that, front view of this particular place, and then I want to just have some tea and all that, and you will also have tea with me.
That's it. If you want to
Let's take this view. So, ladies and gentlemen, this was the place where from.
all are
ये तो सेम है. Bishop फ्रंट है. Shah Sahab surveying. अच्छा surveying वाला laboratory, and then this is strength of materials. Yeah, that is the laboratory. यार laboratory, this is the same laboratory यार. ये laboratory में ही हमने कुछ काफ़ी काम किया था. Of course, this is the same laboratory 30 years back. So this is REC Srinagar, then now NIT Srinagar Kashmir. This is concrete laboratory. तो ऊपर में वो civil engineering yeah. Dr. J. Bhatt, M.Tech. अच्छा यहाँ पर M.Tech भी होता है क्या? अच्छा उस टाइम मेरे ख्याल से M.Tech नहीं होता था. PhD भी होता है क्या? अच्छा एक फ्लोर must be, I feel that it must be the same thing, ना? But then let me just take a.
Actually, first floor.
That is civil department, na? Yeah, civil department this way and this way. Let's go down now. अच्छा यहाँ पर भी वो है क्या? There are some offices here also. There are some lecture halls there also.
No, attic. On the top floor of the building.
Top of the
civil attic. It's just
हाँ
like a
civil
lecture
attic.
hall.
अच्छा हाँ civil attic क्या तो हुआ करता था.
जैसे वो
Yeah,
it's all are
that's great. So this exactly, you know, that this is the front of the REC Srinagar, that and the NIT, and then, ladies and gentlemen, this is the, on the left side you can just see that this is the administrative block है ना? Administrative. और right में क्या चीज़ है ये?
It is mechanical department.
Mechanical department, and ये civil engineering department है.
Engineering department as well as physics department and chemistry.
Physics, chemistry and the civil engineering. अब हम वो जाएंगे उसमें. We'll go to the kitchen. So, ladies and gentlemen, what's happening that this cafeteria वो जाएंगे. This is exactly, ladies and gentlemen, I have taken you around this REC Srinagar NIT Srinagar Kashmir, my alma mater today, and I have been guided by these young boys. They are from the same college, and of course from my brother also. This Suman Kolsab is also there. So God bless all of them and God bless everybody. Times have moved, and then India first and India on the move. So this, that is exactly what's happening. I just wanted to walk my memory lane. That's why I am here. There was some romance that time also happening here, and again coming to the same place, you know, but some girls, I don't want to name them. So, and upstairs also in the library book. आप कहाँ से जाना है? आप कहाँ से जाना है? आप कहाँ से जाना है? आप कहाँ से? Library block. In the library block also, you know, ladies and gentlemen, these are the lecture halls, and then where we used to have many lectures. I have spent, as I told you, 5 years of engineering from till 1985 in this place. And then this lecture halls. यहाँ से क्रॉस कर ले, यहाँ से क्रॉस कर ले, कहाँ से जाना है? So lecture halls, I already showed you this lecture hall. So that is what exactly is, ladies and L4, you know, L4 lecture hall, L1, L2, L3. I don't remember this L3. You know, these are the boys who are just studying. This is the same way to the library, you know, ladies and gentlemen. The library is same, the lecture hall is same, the drawing rooms, and of course, you know. So ladies and gentlemen, you can just see that that was a visit to my alma mater. Alma mater means that where I have been built up, my career has been built up. I have received my engineering, this all the teaching or engineering degree, and I am getting my bread and butter. I am also now in a very senior position. God bless the world, God bless India, God bless every person, including this NIT Srinagar, Kashmir, and the Kashmir, Jammu and Kashmir Valley. You know, ladies and gentlemen, this is hostel and mess office. You know this mess office. आप कहाँ पर चाय वाय कहाँ पीना है हमको? 2 minutes, but where we have, oh, you will go. Okay, that's great, yaar. Give a big smile. So what's your name?
Arya.
Mr. Arya.
Arya, God bless you. So nice.
Aryan or Arya?
Aryan. God bless you. Take care. Come on, let's go.
He's from Bihar.
Where, which place?
You,
Exactly. Which place?
and you are from?
I'm from UP.
UP, good. UP में कहाँ से हो आप?
Ayodhya.
अयोध्या. Oh, great. बहुत मज़ा आ गया.
वो बिहार में
He's from Bihar. Exactly side.
So which you are doing electrical engineering now, no? Electrical engineering and 3rd semester. Very good, excellent. God bless.
Your 8th semester or 10th? How many semester? 8?
8 semester, yes, 4 years. 4 years. No, 5 years. It was during our time only. It was 5 years. Afterwards, it was 4 years. So it is always 5 years now. 4 years now. Everywhere it is the same. So NIT Srinagar. How do you find now this place? Cool. Okay. It's going well.
Where are you?
It's going well.
Okay. नहीं winter vacation. Huh?
1 December.
1 December. Okay, 1st December you will be having the winter vacation. This hostel is known as which hostel? Indus. So how many boys are in one room?
4.
4 boys in one room. The room is very big. Okay, no problem. And then it is in the 1st semester, or it is the 1st and 2nd semester 4 boys.
That's the 2nd semester also.
Uh-huh.
And 2nd year also, 3rd and 4th semester also 4 boys are consisting.
And 4. And then when it is single boy in the 8th semester, 7th semester,
In 7th semester.
7th and 8th semester is single boy. So what's that on that part?
It is a PG hostel. Here the situation, some
PG hostel. Acha, faculties are staying there.
contractual faculty.
Contractual faculty. That's good. Okay. Acha, this is basically the canteen. So open canteen. You know, inside canteen now, they are making that cafeteria now, na? वो उधर में बना रहे हैं. So now you need to have one coffee with us. Will not leave you. Mr. Yadav. So, or you are in hurry?
No, I am.
जल्दी में हो क्या?
Actually, sir, exams.
Okay, good. I want to have a hug with you. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay. God bless you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Do the best.
Thank you, sir.
Do the best.
Best of luck. The world is our playground. The world is our playground, and India the best. India the best. Jammu Kashmir the best.